It's English grammar lecture time. Today's topic is collections. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine and enjoying good health. I am also good, alhamdulillah. I'm your English instructor. Miss Sobia is here for guide you from Umul Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. As you know, today is Friday, 16th April 2021. Our today's class assignment topic is collection from Junior English book page number 35. Today we are going to do the exercise A and B on book. Hurry up, my dear students. Take out your Junior English book from your bag and open the page number 35. Have you opened it, students? Our topic is collection. Do you know, students, what is the collection? Collections are the collective noun. The definition of collective noun is nouns that name a group of people, things, or animals are called collections or collective noun. As a family, crowd, bunch, loaf, herd, and pack. Collective nouns which are used for animals are called if a lot of sheep are gathered at a place, so we will call it a flock of sheep. If so many sheep are gathered in a one place, so we will call not so many sheep, we will call a flock of sheep. A pride of lions, a hive of bees. When so many bees are staying together at a place, so we will call a hive of bees. A pride of lions. These collective nouns are used for animals. Now, collective nouns, one word that names a group of people, animal, or things. As you can see, here is a group of people. An army of soldiers. When so many soldiers are staying together at a place, we will call an army of soldiers. And for animals, as you can see, here are so many ducks, so we will say a team of ducks. Here are so many keys, so we will say a bunch of keys. So you know, these are the collective nouns are using for the peoples, as peoples, animals, or things. Collective noun, collective and partitive nouns, food and drink. A bar of chocolate, a batch of cakes, a bottle of milk, a bowl of rice, a piece of chocolate, a slice of bread, a pile of cookies, a slice of pizza, a piece of cheese, a kilo of meat, a jug of water, a kilo of sugar. So, these are the things for which we can use collective nouns. So, open page number 35 and look at the topic. Topic is collections. A number of sheep together is called a flock. A number of tools together is called a set. This is the definition of collection. A number of sheep together is called a flock. A number of tools together is called a set. Here are some collective nouns which we will use for specific animals, peoples, things, etc. So when so many cows are together, so it will be called a herd of cows. When so many puppies are together, it will be called a litter of puppies, a galaxy of stars, a flock of sheep, a gang of thieves, a swarm of bees, a shoal of fish, a pair of shoes, a flight of steps, a bunch of grapes, a hand of bananas, a suit of clothes, a chest of drawers, a crowd of people, a pack of wolves, a pack of cards, a gaggle of geese, a set of tools, host of angels, a host of angels. So, students, uh, I have shared the pictures of some collective noun for the animals, for the people, and for the things. And these are the specific words which we will use for the collective nouns. So it is the exercise number A. Write the missing words. You will find them in the list on the left. Firstly, you will write CW. Excuse me. CW. Today is 16-4-21, 16th April 2021. You will write the short date at the page number 35. Exercise number 1. A dash of people. When so many people are together, so it will be called the crowd. CROWD, crowd. A crowd of people. A pack of wolves. A bunch of grapes. A pair of shoes. A suit of clothes. A flight of steps, a chest of drawers, a shoal of fish, a herd of cows, a flock of sheep. This is the exercise number 1. And now come to the exercise number 2, exercise number B. Write the word which will fill each gap. A dash of step, as you have read in the column, a flight of steps led to the cabin. A dash geese waddled across the yard. Gaggle, a geese of gaggle, a gaggle of geese. Our milk comes from a herd of Jersey cows. Jersey is the name of the kind of the cows. So our milk comes from a herd of Jersey cows. A pack of dash went hunting in the forest. A pack of wolves. A dash of fish, a shoal of fish swam past our boat. A dash of people, a crowd of people gathered to welcome the prince. The clothes were kept in an old chest for drawer, chest of drawer. Number 8. She bought a new dash of shoes, pair of shoes for the wedding. Dad gave his old dash of clothes to a jumble sale, old suit. Number 10. A dash of bees, a swarm of bees, a swarm of bees settled. Number 10 is a swarm of bees settled at Matthew's head and shoulders. A swarm of bees. Exercise A and exercise B shared with you. You will do these exercises on your book and you will write exercise A from page number 35 on your English grammar notebook. Students, it is your home assignment. Do exercise A from Junior English book, page number 35 on English grammar notebook. It is your home assignment, students. You will do your homework very nicely and very neatly. Don't messy the copy. Write your work with a sharp pencil. Don't write with the blunt pencil. Don't forget to draw the margin line. And keep it in your mind, when you will start your work, your hands should be neat and clean. Your hands should be washed. Okay, student? So it is your home assignment. You will learn this page and you will do exercise A from Junior English book, page number 35 on English grammar notebook. Keep it in your mind on English grammar notebook, not on English literature notebook, English grammar notebook. Okay, students. Now it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz, students. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend.